kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I just want to say to you guys, you know what happened? I went to the supermarket, can't get what you're looking for. It's just kerosene out there right now, honestly. And I said to myself, you know, I have to show my fans them, you know what I mean, things what they can do in the meantime when they're at home with the kids them and relax and all them things that, you know what I mean, watching the news, so many things going on, you know what I mean. Thank God for YouTube because, you know what I mean, trust me, I was just watching YouTube with so many things going on right now in the world. Anyway, I said to myself, boy, I have to show you guys something. So basically, I went to the supermarket and I looking at the freezer and I said, what? He said, I am new. And I said, oh, I need to try out this. I don't say I am new, I need to try it out. So this one is a green smoothie mix with spinach, kale, mango and apple. And I said, oh, that sounds really nice. Probably has something with the fans and can make on in the morning and bring it to work. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video, guys. Guys, and I love this one. It's a simple one to make at home in your time, and you know what I mean, in this crisis at the moment. Save money and save time, and it's cheap. You know what I mean? So yeah, you know we normally use fresh ingredients, but when you can't get fresh ingredients, you have to just stick to what we have at home. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I try my best to give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. My name is Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I said, as I explained it earlier, and I said to myself, you know, I need to just share this with the fans. And yeah, here it is. I am new green smoothie mix. You know what I mean, I went to the supermarket and this is what I could have said, you know, I have to share this with the fans. Alright, this one is in the frozen section of the freezer, you know. So really nice, and kale is really good for you. I'm sorry they didn't put spinach in it. Yeah, spinach. Most important one, spinach. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm gonna fill my blender right here with this smoothie mix right here. Honestly, it's gonna be an amazing one. And the most important thing is like it have the green apple inside of it. Everything is just really amazing, guys, honestly. So you know what I mean, if you're at home and you feel like, you know what I mean, so you want to run to the supermarket for grab or something, this coming really handy for you guys, honestly. Because right now it's just really handy for Chef Ricardo, and I'm just making a nice lovely smoothie from it right now. Alright, now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in it because you know I love my lemon juice. Wow, some seeds. Wow. I need to get rid of these seeds. Don't wanna see it. So we're gonna put roughly about quarter of water inside of it. Quarter cups of water. And I'll squeeze some lemon juice in it. Nice one. We're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of honey. Then I get a piece of ginger. I love ginger. I love my ginger, man. Honestly, that's a piece of ginger. Straight inside of it, just like that. What is? Oh, another seed again. And I need to start use my strainer. But you know, that's Chef Ricardo, innit? No strainer thing around here. Alright. Give it a blend. Wow, looking good. Wow. It's very cool though. It's gonna be like really cool. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just get a little bit more water in it. Honestly, it's gonna be cool. A little bit more water. I'll put some more syrup on it. nice one. Let me look at it. It's a green smoothie, this one. So, you know, it's supposed to look nice. Let me taste it and see something. I'm gonna taste it. Nice. It's really nice. Yeah, it come out really nice, guys. Honestly. Really, really nice. Let's pour it out. It's really nice. I can't believe. Proper. It's amazing. Look at that. It's so lovely. And I couldn't believe that it come out so lovely and nice. Honestly. It's fantastic. So enjoy the recipe, guys, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you again in the kitchen with more recipe. Enjoy it. I'm Chef Ricardo today. Really nice.